B?
Yeah.
For that?
There was, I remember there was two parts to that video.
The obvious thing, right? And
Right.
I said, and then there was the noticing the obvious in part B. By just noticing the obvious because you aren't in judgment, you can smoothly move to new parts of the same commitment or project and continue to learn and grow throughout. I think we just discussed that. Like that was like getting a message and like knowing what to do with it. And I didn't judge it or think about it. Like I just knew what to do.
Right. Well, when we start trusting our intuitive voice, trusting that voice, we also start trusting what we notice.
Yeah.
And when we don't trust our inner voice, then we notice things, but we question them.
Yeah.
And, that questioning of what we notice, that adds a layer or a filter on reality. And so we end up missing out on what's really happening.
Right. Yeah. Or like relying on like what normally would be. Like this is always the case, right? And so you just automatically go with it and don't intuit it, and then you lost it because you didn't you didn't get within to like discern.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. I might change the name of the workshop to The Great Unraveling.
Yeah.
And I mean, not really, but I mean that's the whole point of these videos is to help the unraveling of the knots that are on top of that.
It's a mastery type of work. It is, and it is just unraveling your own mastery and your connection.
Yeah.
To all of it, to the whole of life and yourself.
Exactly. We're all masters, and we're all masters with the not, this false belief that we're not enough packed on top of it. We release that, our mastery exposes itself.
Right. And it's so beautiful every time it happens. Yeah.
Yay. That's awesome.